Hello stars, welcome back to my channel T-Star Bakings. Today's tutorial is on how to make this crescent pull apart cake. I made this cake for Eid, as you can see with a cute lantern right beside it. It's going to be a really short tutorials on how to make this crescent pull apart cake as you see us pull it apart now. Super easy, let's dive straight into it. Firstly, you need your cupcakes and then you also need your buttercream. Well, for your cupcakes, you need to arrange it into the shape of whatever you want to do. If it's a full moon or a crescent like mine, you could just make it the shape you want. It could be numbers, it could be anything. And then make sure you bring them close together. Then you can start to pipe your buttercream on it. You can just go randomly all over the cupcake and make it look like it doesn't have any gaps between. Just pipe your very stable cream on this. Guys, if this is your first time on my channel, please do not leave here without subscribing. I would really appreciate that. So this is me completely done piping my buttercream on my crescent pull apart cake, and then I proceeded to add some golden paper on it. As you can see, this is all to beautify my cake. Like I said, it looks like a full cake, but it's not a full cake. It can be pulled apart simply without you cutting it. Added some sprinkles and some pearls, and then this is me adding some silver oyster dust. Yes, this is all to make it beautiful. I topped it up with a golden butterfly. And at this point, I can see we have completely successfully made our crescent pull apart cake. And as you can see right here, it looks so pretty. I added the lantern in it because it's Eid, and yeah, this makes it look whole. This is me and my family pulling that cake apart. Thank you so much for watching, stars. See you next time.